Andrew.
Hey, kid. Oh my God.
This is yours. But you're not gonna, that's not the one that's
He's gonna set this one. Can-
Good.
Alright, let's
There
go.
you go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Andrew. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, ready?
Yay!
Keep recording. Keep recording. Now we're gonna get.
Now we're going to get the smash cake. We're going to put this cake back inside. Okay, before we give it to him, I need to strip him. Let me get in.
Everything. He was good.
Oh, Andrew's confused on what's going on.
All right, Andrew, I got to strip you. You say, yeah. Yay.
Yay!
I love your shirt.
Let's do
You
this.
get to wear it again on your real birthday. Today's just your party.
He's ready.
This is Geronimo. Play the music.
Put his hands up.
Boom, chicka boom.
Everybody strip.
On the tabletop dance. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's what he
Two
wanted to
steps
do.
left.
Move your arm. Chop, put your hand up. He's like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna be butt naked.
All right, let's even do the sock.
Hey.
No, don't make me naked in front of everybody.
Andrew.
Sit down.
Andrew,
Sit down or you don't get cake.
it's still recording, so.
Hey.
You want it?
Ooh.
Hey. Don't bite it. Look, you can touch it.
Tear the cake up.
You can touch it. Look, do it.
He's like, what is this thing?
You do it. You eat it. Look, you eat it. Oh, you do it.
Unexpected.
Performance.
You do it.
It's performance anxiety.
It's gotta be.
Hey, eat it.
Everybody look away.
No, thank you. You
Come
do
on,
it.
ride that train.
There's the face. Yay!
Tear it up. It's like,
Now
okay.
put your face in it.
No. Yeah, your cake. You do it.
I like those tracks. That gray food color, man.
Look. Oh, he's eating the roller tracks.
What about the train that comes, Andrew? How's it gonna come?
Yay!
All right, Builder Bob, tear it up.
Yay!
More? No, you, look.
You got cake in front of you, kid, and you want to get out?
Stop that cake.
That's not what we meant.
He's gonna get so messy.
That's the point.
I know. That's why I stripped him.
Yay!
Can I see your hand? Look,
Yeah, it is.
watch.
It's like mama.
He
Oh.
doesn't like that. Okay, Eat it. You want to eat it? Andrew, look.
Yay!
Yummy.
Yeah. Where's that,
Like I said, he hasn't really had artificial anything.
So he does not know what this is.
So, yay! there?
Because it's his birthday.
No, that was his birth thing.
Birthday. It's a boy.
Yeah, you're
Here, sit down. Danielle, help me out. You want some more?
Let's buckle him. Oh shoot.
Buckle him in so he doesn't try to get out.
Yay! Yay!
Got some
He
more?
got cake on his feet.
He stepped in the
Ah,
cake.
he bit me.
Here, Andrew.
Yeah, you can't stand up now. Andrew, hurry up. I'm gonna eat it.
Yay!
Yay!
There you go.
There you go.
I like it.
Yay!
No socks. I like
Andrew.
You like it.
Andrew, look. Look.
I like it. You like it. We all like
Andrew.
cake, cake, cake.
Yeah.
He's gonna clap if we don't clap.
You know what? I think he's done.
That's what he is looking. He's ready to get out.
Andrew, look. Food.
Be careful.
I'm gonna have to eat it. Okay, I can't have it.
You want some more?
No,
Bite
I'm
it.
not to
Bite
get
it.
away.
Yeah.
He's
like,
done.
No, I'm
You
done.
should have given it to me when I was hungry.
All right. Here, entertain him for a second. Let me go get his bath water ready. Danielle, can you help me?
Yeah.
Maybe he'll come back for more.
No, no.
Let's not play at the